Supply costs for electric machines are higher at the outset. However, there is a reduction in refuelling expenses, plus they remove the need for air filtration or special exhaust filters as used on diesel machines.
This is not true. Electric machines such as the JCB mini excavator and site dumper on our fleet lose nothing by the way of performance compared to its diesel counterpart. In fact, most users report an increase in power.
Many of our customers report range to be somewhere between 4 to 6.5 hours per day, the same average usage that a diesel excavator will have on any given day.
Just like an electric car, it can be plugged into a 110 volt or 240 volt power supply.
Most operators will charge overnight when the machine is not in use. Of course, we expect charging times to decrease as battery technology improves.
Hybrid diggers still have emissions, only if used in diesel mode. This mode is set by the operator and can therefore be used in zero emission electric mode.
Electric plant is very quiet when operating, allowing workers on site to hear external noise around them rather than engine noise, to communicate more effectively. With zero emissions, no exhaust fumes, they also improve the air quality for workers in close proximity, making them ideal for use in confined spaces.